Greeting and meeting.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine too. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
It's been a long time.
Yes, it has. Where have you been?
I was busy with work. And you?
Same here. Work keeps me busy.
Are you free today?
Yes, I am. Just came to get coffee.
Great. Let's sit and talk.
Sure, I'd love that.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I like this place. It's quiet.
Yeah, the coffee is good too.
I agree. What do you usually order?
I always get a latte. You?
I like cappuccino. It's my favorite.
That's nice. Are you free this weekend?
Maybe on Sunday. Why?
Let's meet again. We can talk more.
Sure. That sounds great.
Okay, I'll text you.
All right. See you soon.
See you. Take care.
Asking for name and introduction.
By the way, what's your full name?
It's Sarah Miller. And yours?
Jake Thomas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from New York. You?
I'm from Chicago, but I live here now.
Oh, that's cool. How long have you lived here?
For 2 years. And you?
I moved here last year.
Do you like it here?
Yes, it's a nice city. People are friendly.
Yeah, I like it too. Are you here with your family?
No, I live alone. My family is in New York.
Oh, I see. Do you visit them often?
Yes, I go there twice a year. And you?
My parents live in Chicago. I visit them in the holidays.
That's nice. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She's younger than me.
Cool. I have two brothers. Both are older.
Big families are fun.
Yes, I miss them sometimes.
Same here. But life goes on, right?
Yes, it does.
So, how old are you?
I'm 25 years old. And you?
I'm 27 years old.
Oh, we're close in age.
Yeah, not a big difference.
What's your favorite color?
Blue. I love blue. And you?
I like green. It's relaxing.
Nice choice. Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies, especially comedies.
Me too. Funny movies are the best.
Do you go to the cinema often?
Not really. I mostly watch at home.
Same here. It's more comfortable. Asking about profession.
So, what do you do, Sarah?
I'm a teacher. I teach English
Oh, that's great. Where do you teach?
at a school near my home. It's a small school.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. Kids are fun to teach. What about you?
I work in an office. I'm a graphic designer.
Wow, that sounds creative.
Yes, I design logos and websites.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, but mostly from the office.
How long have you been doing this job?
For 3 years now. And you?
I started last year. I'm still learning.
That's good. We all learn with time.
Yes, you're right.
Do you work full time?
Yes, Monday to Friday, 8 to 2.
That's a good schedule.
Yes, I have free time in the afternoon.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books or go for a walk. You.
I play video games or watch shows.
Nice. What kind of shows?
Mostly action or sci-fi. And you?
I like dramas and romantic comedies.
Cool. Everyone has different taste.
Yes, that makes life interesting. Talking about daily routine.
So, what's your daily routine like?
I wake up at 6 a.m. and go for a walk.
Nice. I get up around 7.
After my walk, I take a shower and eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Just toast and eggs. Sometimes cereal.
I usually skip breakfast. Just coffee.
Oh, that's not good. Breakfast is important.
I know, but I'm always in a hurry.
What do you do after coffee?
I go to work around 9. My office is 20 minutes away.
That's not too far. I start work at 8.
When do you come home?
By 2:30. Then I relax for a while.
Do you take a nap?
Yes, just 30 minutes. It helps a lot.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch some TV.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I like cooking. It's relaxing.
That's nice. I usually order food.
Really? You should try cooking sometimes.
Maybe I will. What time do you eat?
Around 7 p.m. And you?
Same. After dinner, I play video games.
I read a book or talk to my family.
That's a good habit. I should read more.
Books are fun once you get into them.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10:30. I need 8 hours.
I sleep late. Around midnight.
That's not healthy.
I know. I'm trying to fix it.
Talking about hobbies and interests.
So, what are your hobbies?
I love painting and reading books.
That's cool. What do you paint?
Mostly nature, trees, rivers, mountains.
Nice. I can't paint at all.
It just takes practice. What about you?
I like playing guitar and video games.
Oh, you play guitar? That's awesome.
Yes, just as a hobby. I'm not a pro.
Still, that's impressive. Do you sing too?
Only when I'm alone.
Haha, same here. I sing while cleaning.
Do you like sports?
A little. I watch tennis sometimes. You?
I play basketball with friends on weekends.
Sounds fun. You must be good at it.
Not really, but I enjoy it. Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic comedies and dramas.
Nice. I enjoy action and sci-fi movies.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes, but I usually watch at home.
Same here. Home feels more comfortable.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
Mostly soft and relaxing music. You?
I like rock and pop songs.
Cool. Do you listen while working?
Yes, it helps me focus.
I listen while cleaning or painting.
Nice. Music makes everything better.